In this tutorial we will teach you how to merge two conveyors. Going from this state to this state. We will show how to do this in two different ways. In this first approach, we start by designing our conveyor. Control-click on the arrow to adjust the direction. As you can see, we have not closed the gap between the conveyors, as intended. Next step is to measure the distance between the components, and do a calculation, in order to adjust the length of the beam. Choose Measurement command. Use the center frame of the end drive, to measure this distance. In the output panel you will find accurate measurements. This is the X distance. And this is the Y distance. This is the one we are interested in this case. Our target is 85 mm. With some quick calculation we see that we need to adjust the Y direction with 41,06 mm. Selecting the beam. Extending the beam by adding 41,06 mm. And applying basic trigonometry to create this formula. In this length field we can use expressions, such as plus and minus, but also do trigonometric equations. In this sinus command, we need to use radians. Adding the angle that we have used, 30 degrees. Using this expression, the beam will get the correct length. Doing a control measurement afterwards, is showing that we have the 85 mm according to our target. This was one approach to solving this problem. Another approach in solving this is to first position the end drive. Using the positioning command, we want to move the end drive relative to the beam. Making sure that the CC distance between those is 85 mm. Move the component. We will also move it a little bit further away on the beam. Now, the end drive is in the position we want it. Now we will construct the conveyor, and close the gap. Now, the beam needs to be aligned to the end drive. This can be done by using the Quick Adjust command. First we want to extend this beam. Selecting it. And making sure that it will be extended in the correct direction. Selecting Quick Adjust. And select the target. In this case it's the end drive. Now, the Quick Adjust extends this beam, so that this beam's interface is aligned with the end drive. Now we will do the same with this beam. adjusting the length to match the end drive. The beam has now been shortened and connected to the end drive. This is two different approaches to solve the same problem. One, with the help of calculations, and one, with the help of design tools, inbuilt commands. We hope you found this helpful.